Congratulations! You've successfully configured your RTI audio distribution device and are now ready to program Integration Designer. In this video, we'll set up the workspace to support the rooms and sources connected to the RTI audio distribution device and then import the device settings through the driver. Let's open Integration Designer and add a processor to the workspace. Next, I'll add the rooms to match the ones configured in the audio distribution web configuration. I'll pause the video while I add the rooms to the workspace. After all the rooms have been added, add the RTI controllers to the workspace. I'll add an iPad to the global area so it can control all the audio zones and sources. Now let's add the source devices that are connected to the RTI DSP to the global area. I'll pause the video and add all the source devices. Let's add the audio distribution driver next. Select the Driver tab and search for RTI DSP. Select the DSP matrix driver and add it to the global area. There's no need to change any of the default settings. A driver configuration window will display asking if you want to use online or offline mode. Online mode requires having access to the device on the local network. The driver will discover RTI DSP devices and enable their import in Integration Designer. This saves time and requires very little manual effort. If offline mode is selected, driver settings need to be configured to match the web interface settings. Once they're configured, the driver will be updated with the audio zone information. I'll select the online mode. A discovery window will display with a total count of each RTI audio distribution product. Ensure the device or devices you're adding are discovered in this step. Click OK to exit the message. Once the driver has been added to the workspace, select Close to exit the Add Workspace item. In the Driver tab in the workspace, select the DSP matrix driver, then select Driver Properties in the Driver Configuration section. In the Device Numbers section, select the right arrow drop-down and select the number of devices configured next to each unit if using more than one. I'll select 1 next to the 88810 count. In the Main Device Info section, select a device in the drop-down menu. All the information should be populated except the group information. Scroll down to the Group Info section and select the number of groups configured in the drop-down menu. The group name should populate correctly. Before proceeding, let's discuss some key features in the driver properties. Tick the Launch Web GUI option and a window will open allowing you to log into the RTI DSP web interface. The tick box will be unselected once a window is launched. This can be used to verify or revise the configuration. If you want to update with the updated driver settings, tick the option to update this unit with all settings, names, and groups from ID. This will update the RTI DSP using the revised driver settings and automatically untick the box. Should you want to receive a new configuration directly from the RTI DSP, tick the option next to Receive Configuration from AD Unit. The driver will pull down revised information from the DSP, which was configured via the web interface. Again, the box will deselect after updating. We are ready to update the workspace with the information in the driver. Return to the Add Workspace item. Add each zone that's been updated in the driver to the workspace. If you want to use the zone volume for all sources in the room, tick this Set as Room Audio Source option for each zone. Leave all other options unticked. For the source name, I suggest using the naming convention supplied by the driver as it provides useful information in the workspace. I'll pause the video one last time as I continue adding each zone to the respective room. You have now completed the process of creating the workspace for the audio distribution system. In the next video, we'll review the driver options and explain each category. Thanks for watching.